How many people on the one, sweetie? One, sweetie. Take one and pass it. Take one and pass it on. All right, ready. We can sit down and see. We go through the homework. Who do the homework? Let me see hands who do the homework. All right. You cannot pass maths if you don't practice maths. You cannot pass maths if you don't practice maths. Everybody hear that? So when we send the homework, we have to try the homework. We have to do the homework. We have to see what we're weak at so we can go through it. Everybody understand? Did you guys see the homework in the group? So why not do it? Abina, somebody who is not in the group. All right, she's coming around. All right, give me some of the homework then I could start you. Yes. No more than 20, but me have a printer now. So you can, I'll carry it. So you can carry it for me. I'm gonna give it to you. It's in the back of the car. They're gonna get a test. Huh? Yeah. All right. Who have access to the group as we speak? Who don't have access to the group as we speak? Not because you're not in it, but because your phone on a credit or something like that. All right, cool. All right, I'm going to go through 10 minutes of the homework, then you're going to get a test. All right, 20 minutes of the homework. Now, if you come early, remember we said, how do we say we're going to pass the maths? You're going to get a lot in your SBA. You're going to master the multiple choice. And then you're going to answer a couple of questions. That's how we're going to pass. So every morning, you're going to get a multiple choice examination about what we taught the last week. You're supposed to run through it 1 hour and then we move on. Give me the questions, let me run through some quick. Now get hold in us so we cannot see. If you don't understand, make sure to ask questions, all right? See, those who don't come early, they're going to miss out. 4 and 4 over 5 divided by 2 and 2 over 3 minus 1 and 1/3 squared. All right. So, all eyes on the board, no writing. This is our question. You see on your worksheet, I want you to divide your worksheet in 2. Right? I'm going to divide my board in 3 because I only have 1 board. But you divide your worksheet in 2. Everybody do that for me now. One part is going to be look bigger than the next part. Divide your worksheet in 2. This is your worksheet right here. So this is your worksheet. You divide it so. Not down the half, so. Come, fast. We're going to go home later and divide up this book. My book, this, you know. I want to carry the school book come here now. My book, divide it up with the worksheet like that. Ready now? Where all worksheet divide up? Hey boy, divide the worksheet fast. Just take a next pen and draw 1 line beside it, man. Watch out. Boom. Draw 1 line now. All right, that's all. Divide the worksheet. So we get this. Come on the late. Come fast on the late. Come get some chair. Carry come, boy. Step 1. All eyes on the board. Me don't want to see nobody right. All eyes. Hey, put down the bag so that him can see. Hey, run her back. Eyes. Ready? Step 1. The easiest way to work fractions is to change to an improper fraction. That's the easiest way to work fraction. Yes, I can say 4 minus 2, that way, but it can be difficult. So the easiest way not to make a mistake is to change to an improper fraction. How do we change to an improper fraction? You say the bottom number times big number plus top number. Bottom number times big number plus top number. This bottom number is the what? This big number is the what? And this is the what? All right, so everybody understand that. Let's go. Bottom number times big number plus top number. Repeat. And you're going to do it for the entire thing that they gave you. So the first thing you're going to write is changing to, do not write in yet, just watch me. Improper fraction. 5 4s plus 4 over 5 divided by 3 2s plus 2 over 3 minus 3 1s plus 1 over 3 squared. This is the exact same thing as this. All you have done is to change them all into improper fractions. Everybody understand step 1? You understand? You. Look, miss. You understand? What about you? Yes. Oi, you're not paying attention. You understand? Now move your come by front next time. See I look out that way. Stripe. You understand? You. Do not say yes if you don't understand. All right. So now we have this here. What is the first thing you must write on your exam paper? That means that all situations, all procedures go through BOMDAS. The next thing I want to write on the exam paper is prime factors. This is not going to use this, but it's an important thing for know. Yes. All right. So enough people ask that. There are some questions that are very difficult that if you don't divide first, you'll get it wrong. In CXC, divide and multiply have an equal ranking. And addition and subtraction have an equal ranking. Therefore, anyone that appeared to the rightest of the question, you do it first. But if you anyway do it, it will come out to the same answer as far as D and M and A and S. Everybody understand? Good. So I just maintain one way, D, then M, A, then S. Everybody understand that? So what we're going to do now, do we have a bracket? So we're going to work bracket first, not true? So we're going to work. So we're telling them, working bracket BRACKET 4 over 3 square. This implies when a number is squared, what does it imply? That you multiply the number by itself. If you go over here, so 2 squared, what that equal to? 2 times 2. So 4 over 3 squared, what do you think that equal to? 4 over 3 times. Everybody see that? So this squared, therefore, implies this sign that is the two-stroke arrow means this implies in mathematics. Everybody understand that? What does this mean? What does this mean? What does this mean? What does that mean? Means this implies. What does this mean? What does this mean? All right, so I don't have to know these things. So you're saying to them, therefore, that this 4 over 3 square implies 4 over 3 times 4 over 3. Everybody see that? Everybody see that? It is therefore equal to, is there any number at the top that can go into any number at the bottom? So therefore you go to 4 times 4 over 3 times 3, which is equal to 16 over 9. Everybody see that? Sorry? You not see it? I'm in figure it out. Ready again? You don't have to break down this no more because the question don't finish. Everybody see that? All right. So now let's do the B. Is there any others? The others existed, but we already did it with the fraction. Everybody see that? With the what do you call this again? The bracket. All right. So if this did have a next fraction, you'd have work out the bracket and then square it. Everybody see that? But because it only had 1, you do the others and the bracket. Everybody see that? If it was like this, half, a third, plus a half, square, you'd have to work the bracket first and then square the result. Everybody see that? But because it only had 4 over 3 squared, there was nothing to work. So they put this into bracket just to show that both the 4 and the 3 are squared. Everybody understand that? Because it could have been 4 square over 3. Everybody see the difference? 4 square over 3 mean only the 4 is squared. But they put that into bracket, 4 over 3 squared, because they want to know, so it's 4 square over 3 square. Everybody see that? Now, if you look at the answer, what is 4 square? And what is 3 square? And what is this? Want to learn nothing? Want to see that? So when you see this in the future, yo, this not work, yo. So much mark I'm go by. No, it's a different thing this year. When you see this in the future, then you know, say you can say 4 square. You know, say this implies 4 square over 3 square. Everybody see that? Even though when you work it out, you see this. You see that? Want to see? Good. When I tell you x squared, sorry. When I tell you x over 5 all squared equal 21. You're going to say, therefore, that means say x squared over 5 squared equal 21. Not true? So, yeah. So that means x squared over 25 equal 21. Let's see that. That means x squared equal 21 times 25. Want to see that? Want to see what I show you? A different thing I show you, but I show you. That means x equal to the square root of, that look like what? 46. But what was the part I want to learn first? I'm soon teaching you algebra. That this means this. Everybody see that? Everybody see that? All right. So that means what this means. Hmm? 1 square over 3 square. I put it to you that it equal to 1 over 9. 1 square over 3 square. 1 square is 1. Because 1 square is 1 times 1. So that is equal to 1 over 9. You see that? Want to see that? Now when we work it out, 1 over 3 all square implies 1 over 3 times 1 over 3 equal to 1 times 1 over 3 times 3 equal to 1 over 9. Want to learn something? Dintil, you're watching? Good. All right. So that therefore means that we have 16 over 9. We're then going to work this portion. So we're working division, not true? Not true? So this implies 24 over 5 divided by 8 over 3. This implies 24 over 5 times 3 over 8. Not true. When you get a divide, you know, change divide to multiply and then turn this upside down. Everybody understand that? Good. Now, when you turn it upside down, what's the name of that function, that practice? You find the reciprocal. You reciprocate it. How do you reciprocate a number? You divide 1 by the number. What is the number that we're trying to reciprocate? We're trying to reciprocate 3 over 8. 8 over 3. That's the number we're trying to reciprocate. Not true. So the number we're trying to reciprocate is what? That means that when you, hey, what going on, hey, boy, well, look over there, something. I don't feel this is obvious. Good. 8 over 3, we're trying to find the reciprocate. How do you reciprocate a number? You divide 1 by the number. So it is 1 divided by 8 over 3. Not true. 1 divided by 8 over 3 is actually implied 1 over 8 over 3. You didn't know that? Huh? All right. 1 divided by 2, what is that? No, 1 over 2. Go on, go do it by a calculator. 1 divided by 2. You get 0.5, half. 1 divided by 4 is what? 1 over 4. So that means that 1 divided by 8 over 3 is what? And 1 divided, that means it's 1 over 8 over 3. You see that? 1 divided by x is what? You see how much simple? Want to learn something? So therefore, when we say 1 divided by 8 over 3, it is 1 over 1 divided by 8 over 3, because any whole number is over 1. We just don't write it because it is known. Everybody understand that? No? All right. 2 over 1 means what? You know, mean 2 divided by 1. 2 divided by 1 hour. No, that means that 2 over 1 are 2. What about 5 over 1? And 5 divided by 1. So every number is over 1. We just don't bother write it because it's fool. Are you understanding? Just like how every letter is 1x, but we write 1x for. Because 1 times x is x, so it don't make no sense to just write x. Everybody understand that? Good. Right, you learn something? All right, good. So therefore, 1 over 1 divided by 8 over 3. What do we do with divide? 1 over 1 times. So what is the reciprocal of 8 over 3? Can you say 1 times 3, 3, and 1 times 8, 8. You don't see how it's simple? Everybody see that? Eh? So what is the reciprocal of 0.25? What is the reciprocal of 0.25? 0.25 is equal to 1 over 4. That means that it is 1 divided by 1 over 4, which is 1 divided by 1 over 4, which is equal to 1 times 4 over 1, 1 over 1, which is equal to 4. You see how math says it? You don't see that? You don't want me to go back over that? What is the reciprocal of 0.25? Did I teach you how to reciprocate a decimal? No, I did not. I taught you how to reciprocate a fraction. So since you know how to reciprocate a fraction and you have a decimal, what is your first logical step? To turn the decimal into a fraction. Not true. What is the decimal? It's 0.25. 0.25, going back to last week's class, is coming on your base 10. Your base 10 is 10 to the 0, 10 to the minus 1, 10 to the minus 2, 10 to the minus 3. You remember that? Which gives me, therefore, 10 to the 0 is what? Every number to the 0 is 1. 10 to the 0 is what? X to the 0 is what? 9 to the 0 is what? 11 to the 0 is what? 49 to the 0 is what? Infinity to the 0 is what? Cause why? Any number to the 0 is 1. You understand that? So no matter what them put there, it gone to 1. Are you understanding me? So if I give you this, 92 times 57 times 106 times 11 over 33 to the power of 0. What is the answer? Because no matter what this is, it will turn 1. And them think they're not getting a multiple choice. You have to know these logics. You understand that? Huh? You. Good. Ready now? 0.25. Is there, this a 1? This a 0.1? Or you call it 1 over 10. And this a 1 over 100. And this a 1 over 1,000. 0.25, is there any ones? No, because 0.25 is properly written 0.25, meaning no ones. Everybody see that? So therefore, 0 ones. Is there any 1 over 10? 0.2. 2 is the 1 over 10, see there? And is there any 1 over 100? Huh? 5 is 1 over 100. How do we know that? Because when you work this out, this is 2 times 1 over 10 plus 5 times 1 over 100. You remember that? You remember that? You don't remember that. So I'm going to teach it over again for the last time. Left that lesson. What did I say mathematics is based on? Yes, but also base 10, not true. We said, yes, the fundamental principle is balance, but it is on base 10. You remember that? What is base 10? Why was it based on base 10? Because we have 10 fingers. So two human beings have 10 fingers when they need to wear brief, them just wear 10 and count, they never have calculator. Everybody understand? So when time we was in the Garden of Eden, you come and say 1 apple, 2 apple, when you reach 9 apple, you never have no more finger. Are you understanding? So you come and say 10 and you move on. So it's based on base 10. All numbers that we use now is based on base 10. What does it mean? It means that there's 10 characters. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you see the 10 characters? No, not 10 and 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You see the 10 characters? Now suppose we say base 2. Get a chair quick. Base 2. How much characters would base 2 have? It would have 2 characters. 0 and 1. Base 5. How much characters would it have? It would have 5 characters. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Everybody see that? So therefore, the base is how much characters do we have. Are you understanding? You understand? Good. So what it says therefore is that our number system is based on a power of 10. So this is the basement and it is raised to the power. It can be raised to the power of 0, to the power of 1, to the power of 2, to the power of 3. But to extend numbers, it can also be based on the power of a negative index, which is the power of -1 or the power of -2. Everybody understand that? Good. So this is your number chart that you can figure out all numbers. This is your number chart. I'm going to give you your number chart. The first one you write is 10 to the 0. That means that is 1. Not true? Not true? Talk to me now, man. All right, so now we have these and we have these. So we're going this way. This way is 10 to the 1, 10 to the 2, 10 to the 3, and 10 to the 4. This way is 10 to the -1, 10 to the -2, 10 to the -3, and 10 to the -4. What did you recognize? Look at this and tell me what you observe from something where you know. Yes, but it goes to the opposite direction of the number line. Look on the number line. Which way is positive? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look on the number line. Which way is negative? Now, look on this now. The positive will go the opposite way, and the negative I go the opposite way. Everybody see that? And them something I make the maths nice. So, yeah, you see that? Good. Why is it going this way? Because you don't use negative. This is only telling you about the distance of the number. It is not telling you about the direction of the number. Are you understanding? It just tells you the magnitude. And remember me telling you that? That a number of distance and direction. 1,000 is a long distance. Negative 1,000 is the same long distance. It just has a different direction. Everybody understand what I'm saying? Yes? Good. So therefore, what happens now? Let us write a number. Give me a number. 20. So the number 20. This is telling you that there is 0 ones. Everybody see that? You see that? So you write that here. So you're going to come here. So 10 to the 0 is what? 10 to the 1. And the number to the first power is itself. X to the 1. 9 to the 1. 15 to the 1. 445 million to the 1. Any number to the first power itself. So 10 to the 1. 10 to the 2. 10 to the 2 is 10 times 10. 100. 10 to the 3. 10 times 10 times another 10. What did 3 tell you? What did 3 tell you? How many tenths? Or how many of the number? What did 2 tell you? How many of the numbers? So the index tell you how many of the numbers. That means that 10 to the 1 is how many tenths? 10 to the 2. 10 to the 3. 10 to the 4. Everybody see that? So when them say 2 to the 3 is 8, it's because 2 times 2 times 2 is 2 to the 3. Which give you 4 times 2 is 8. Everybody see that? You understand? You understand? Oi, you understand? You plot up in it, yo. You understand? You where's yeah, you see one. You know see me I stay right by you. Alright, good. And then this are 10,000. What do you recognize between this and this? 10 to the 3 give almost 0. 10 to the 4 give almost 0. 10 to the 2 give almost 0. 10 to the 0 give almost 0. 10 to the 1 give almost 0. Everybody see that? You see it, sit and dandy? All right, now. When it is, yes. What? No. When it is raised to a negative, watch it. When it is raised to a negative, it is the reciprocal, 1 over the result. So 10 to the negative 1 is 1 over 10 to the 1. Everybody see that? That means that 10 to the negative 2 is what? That means that 10 to the negative 3 is what? Everybody see that? Everybody see that? So x to the negative 2 is what? Is what? 1 over x to the 2. Everybody see that? So all you do is take out the minus and you get x to the 2 and it's 1 over it. Everybody see that? Then you work out the bracket and then it's 1 over the answer. He asks what if you have a bracket and then negative 2? 2 times 3 to the negative 2. The bracket work first. That means that it will be 6 to the negative 2. That means that it will be 1 over 6 to the 2. Everybody understand? You not understand or no? Are you understanding? Good. So you gave me a number 20. You give me a number 20. How many zeros? You always start at 10 to the 0. How many zeros? How many ones you have? 20. See the number, yeah? How many ones you have? See there? You have 0 ones. How many tens you have? You have 2 tens. So what it is telling you is simply 2 times 10 plus 0 times 1. That's all it is telling you. 2 times 10 plus 0 times 1 equal 20. Everybody see that? Everybody sees that? You see that? Talk to me no more and know if you don't see that. Give me a next number. 35. This is the number. 35. How many ones? How many tens? So it is telling you 3 times 10 plus 5 times 1. Everybody see that? 3 times 10. 5 times 1. Not 35 that. Hey, more to come early. All right. You want a bigger number? Give it to me. 440 what? 445. Where are we starting? How many ones do we have? How many tens? How many hundreds? So all this is telling you is 4 times 100 plus 4 times 10 plus 5 times 1 equal to 400 plus 40 plus 5. Calculate it. 5, 4, 4, 445. You see it? Everybody see it? Want to see it? Give me another one. 1,852.036. So now we have some decimal places. Well, you don't know when you're early. When? She there a long time? That's why porridge done for you. You don't drink porridge? Alright, I carry KFC earlier. I see you need KFC. Oh, wait. I carry dumpling. Carry dumpling and mackerel and see. Where you eat then? Everything I eat. Come. No, I can't slow down. Time I run. Ready now. Watch me now. 1,852.036. Where do we start? At the ones, not true? How many ones do we have? We have 2 ones. How many tens do we have? We have 5 tens. How many hundreds do we have? How many ones do we have? Thousands do we have? All right. I want to call out the name of this number for me. Call it out slow. Lord God, it cheer them. Ready? Slow, slow. Just slow. 50s are 5 tens. Want to see it? All right. Now, how many 1/10s do we have? How many 100s do we have? How many 1,000s do we have? Watch me now. I'm going to focus just on this first. 0.036. Come over here, sir. This is 0 times 1/10, not true? Not that. All right, cool. And this is 3 times 1/100, not true? So plus 3 times 1/100. And this is 6 times 1/1000, not true? No? Talk to me now. Plus 6 times 1/1000. Everybody see that? What is this equal? 0 times 1/10. Anything times 0 give you what? I'm boss on head. I say raise to 0 give you 1. This is a times 0. This will be 1. Anything times 0 is 0. Raise to 0 is 1. Raise to 0 is what? Raise to 0 is what? But times 0 is what? Raise to 0 is what? Times 0 is what? Raised to 0 is what? Times 0 is what? Times 0 is what? Oh, if you don't say 1, be a thumb, you don't get to that. All right, ready now. So ready now. 3 times 1 over 100 is actually to be 3 over 1 times 1 over 100. Nothing can divide up. So it's a 3 times 1 over 100. So it give you 3 over 100. Everybody see that? Everybody see that? 6 times 1 over 1,000 equal to 6 over 1,000. Everybody see that? Even if you want to break it down, you could have break it down to 3 over 500. Want to see that? Because 6 times 1 over 1,000 equal to 6 over 1 times 1 over 1,000. 2 can go in at this 3 times and this can go in at this 500. But I don't bother break it down. Because I'm showing you something neat and nice. So all I am doing, what is the number me I look on? 0.036, not true? So I'm saying 3 over 100 plus 6 over 1,000, not true? What's the LCM? What's the LCM? Huh? What's the LCM of 100 and 1,000? 100 over 1,000. Yo, me not teaching you nothing more because you not learn. What the smallest this can be? 10 times 100. 1,000. 1,000 times 1. That's the LCM is 1,000. We're not teaching you how to find LCM. Want to see it? That's the LCM, not true. 100 into 1,000. Bracket 3, not true. No, so you go. 1,000 into 1,000. Bracket 6, not true. No, so you go. So that means that this is going to be equal to, remember when we have, what is the number? 0.036. 10 times 3. Plus 6 over 1,000, not true? So this will give me 36 over 1,000, not true? What 36 over 1,000 mean? It not equal to 36 divided by 1,000. Now so you go. Where is the decimal point for 36? I'm going to move it 1, 2, 3 place, not true? That means I'm going to put a 0 there, so not true? What is the number? Now hit this. You don't understand? You want me to do the next one? 0.25. Remember that we work with. Is there any 0.25? Is there any ones? Is there any ones? Is there any ones? Because it's 0.25. Is there any 1 over 10? 2. Is there any 5 over 10? I mean 1 over 100. Is there any 1 over 100? All right. Come back over here, son. It is saying, therefore, 2 times 1 over 10 plus 5 times 1 over 100. Everybody see that? Yes, it's in them in the groups. It's going to but I'm not getting them out yet. I'm put it in when you're ready. Yes. You ready? 2 times 1 over 10. Not true. 5 times 1 over 100. So you have to come over here and add them. 2 over 10 plus 5 over 100. That will give me 100 as my LCM. 10 into 100, 10 times 2, 100 into 100, 1 times 5. Everybody see that? 10 times 2 is 20 plus 1 times 5 is 5 over 100. Equal to 25 over 100. Equal to 25 divided by 100. 12.25. Everybody see that? Everybody see that? So when I asked you to find the reciprocal of a quart of 0.25, it is equal to 25 over 100. which is equal to 25.1, 25.4, a quarter. We could have do it the simpler way by saying 25 over 100. 5 into that goes 5 times, 5 into that goes 20, 5 into this goes 1 time, 5 into that goes 4. Now that we know it's a quarter, it is 1 divided by a quarter, which is equal to 1 over 1 divided by a quarter. 1 over 1 times 4 over 1, which is equal to 4. What is the reciprocal of 0.25? Are you understanding? Are you understanding? In the simplest form, what is the reciprocal of 0.8? In the simplest form, what is the reciprocal of 0.8? 0.8 equal 8 over 10. You don't see it. So that means I can then say 1 divided by 8 over 10, which is equal to 10 over 8. That is it in its simplest form. Or equal to 1 and 2 over 8, which is equal to 1 and a quarter. Everybody understand that? Everybody understand? So if it is equal to 1 and a quarter, and look on the multiple choice and say an option of 1.25, what is the answer? That's the answer. Because 1 and a quarter is 1.25. How did I know 1 and a quarter is 1.25? 1 and a quarter is 1 plus a quarter. What is a quarter? 0.25. So it is 1 plus 0.25. You know, say math easy. You know, see that? Because you know these things already. It is the logic of application that you're looking for. Did you know that 1 over 4 is 0.25? You never know. But now you know how. Everybody see that? All right. Let me see who have access to the group at this point, because now it's time for the test. You are going to shade the answer, whether with pen or pencil, fully shading the space. You will have 30 questions to complete in 1 hour, all of which have been taught before. Are you ready? Okay, I'll lend you mine. Adam in the group. Are you ready? What do you mean no? Abina, which group you adding them into? Homework only? That's fine. I sent it to you, Abina. I want to tell you what kind of phone you have, I can carry credit. I not come no way. Soon come. Yes. All right, all 3 photos have been sent. Let the test begin. It is now 10:55. You will end at 11:55, yes. Mm-hmm. What? I who not seen it. I mean, I put in the picture when I go. Oh, Sharon. Let me see who do have access. Data. Data. I mean, I put her in the group for me. What kind? Who have digital? Abina, add her to the group. Abina, Abina, can you add the people to the group? Quite a few not in the group. Yes, you can do that. Huh? You're on a phone. Oh boy. All right, Tony can use this. Who else now have phone and date? You have phone? Come, look on fair one. You have data and you have data? Hmm? You in the group? Look on film one for time being. Where you going with? You have service? All right, come, show him. No, I'm not there. Show him. Yo, what you say? Come, come. Hmm? Yo, look out of him. On the block, somehow. Hmm? Oh, you new? You in the group? Where data is? So make sure you look on yours. Eh? You know in the group? I mean, I put him in the group for me, please. Where you going with that, sir? In the group? You have data too? I make sure see. What going, sir? But you some look on that. The question upon that. Don't copy though, you know. It make we know what I want. You look like a love copy from me, from me. Come, hurry up. You have it? Yes, you want you. You have it? Come, look on fair one. You, where going here, sir? You want you and you. You, where going here, sir? You have it? Looking at hers. She have it there, sir. Precious, you have it? You have it? Yeah, you have it now. Mm-hmm. You're not in the group? You in the group? You have it? So you and I. You, what happened? You not have it? Eh? Yo, you have your phone? You have it? So open it. Wait, me not understand. You and him and you. You have it? You can use pen. Don't matter. Come on, man, try, no? Try. You have to do it. You have to do it. Worst time to try it for the first time. Eh? Huh? Look with a fear phone. Make him see. What you say, I know? You have it? See, they can look on film one. The Wi-Fi down. Phone dead, like on. You have it? You too? You have it, on film one? Oh, all right, cool. Oh, if I put my phone on hotspot, all of them can get it, Abina? Yeah. Huh? Hmm? Only 30 per my thing. And the internet is down. The school internet is down. How much people don't have data? All right, I'm going to attach to my phone. That look like less than 30. Who have data nobody come running like you know? Next week, we carry credit phone. Abina, please add her in the group. Focus on who have data to add them in the group. Sorry, I'm a baby. You on? Where my phone there? I go add data. I give them there. How does it work?
If I don't have data, you can just then take a picture.
Oh. Test. No book. No book. Who don't have data but have phone? Just take a picture of the question on the other person's phone. Come, take a picture like this. Look.
Yeah.
All right, that's a question. Hey. Yeah, she soon add you. Come. Take it. 3 questions. Take the picture. Come. You have?
No.
But you and I. Second one. First one. Who want to take picture? Come. You have it good? Don't copy, you know, just practice. Where you say I go ahead? You want picture? Do not copy. Look like you're well away for copy, you know. No. Negative. Yes, shall I add it? Who want picture? Who want picture? You want a picture of the phone? Of the yeah, but you don't look on fear paper. But you don't look on the question, you look on the answer. Show the question. Beside you, you have the question? Come, you work with she, with green blouse. You work with she. She have it over there, some mama. You have it? You good? You work on this? Work on it now. Everybody now have access? Who don't have access? Primsy, where you look on as far? Oh. Who not have access? You have a phone? You want a picture? Hey. I want to answer the phone. Get out of the rough work paper. I want to work this out. I need the rough work paper out. Everybody get a photo? Yep, you have a phone. You have a phone. All right, there you go. Huh? Yes. Shall I put everybody in there now? You know, in another group then. 9. Ready, go. Let's go, let's go. Come on. Don't copy. Make we know what I do. Okay. Take a picture of it. You have the questions, darling? You have it? You have it? Make him take a picture. You're on a phone? Use fair. Looking at fair one. Make him see the questions, sweetie. Share, yes. Let's put it right at the middle there, so make him peep in there. But not in your paper. You want the photo? Take a picture of it. Come, make sure you take a picture of it. You have it? Sweetie, let him your phone, make him take a picture of the questions. Eh? No, I'm nervous yet. I practice, we have practice. Top. You take a picture of it? That are number 11, you know, so start from number 1. 11 that, you see 11, 12, 13. Oh, you take number 1 already, oh. Paper done? Boy, more come. Now I'm a printer, but me not carry my card. Hold on. Where is Carmel? Carmel know we can get it printed. How much? Who don't get no paper? Who doesn't have a photo sheet? Them look like them, man. That, please, man, don't tell me when I come class. If I can buy lunch, breakfast, and print the things. If you don't tell me, I don't know. You all right?
She doesn't know where to find her. She works like.
Just make sure you take a picture. You have it on your phone? Question 1. 3 worksheet. What one yourself? Oh, all right. So let's put it on your narc, because you take too long. Right. Good. You don't have a phone or your phone doesn't come today? All right, cool.
30 questions, right?
Right. Come, let's go. Make looking at film phone. Put it right there, so. No matter with that, even if you're looking at your answer. Come, share the word.
Let me take a picture.
Oh, you stay around there. Come, use film phone. Come on, man, try, man. A maths time, man. Come. Eh? See there? Try. Oh, you stay. Oh, you stay. Let's go, let's go, let's try, let's try. You done? You done? Oh, you done everything already. You put it in a chat GPT. All right. Ready? Come, let's go, man. Speed and accuracy. Come, let's go. I'm not. But no, 200 carry is not more than 200. At 200
That's 200 in the print.
That means we have left. I don't think that this don't look like more than 200.
Unless people keep the paper, which
Everybody only have one answer sheet, right? You'll get more answer sheets every week, so you don't have to save up the answer sheet. What going over there, so? More working, less laughing. What going on, so? You know, take the picture of your head. Eh? Just take the picture. Make sure take the picture of your phone screen and then she will have it. A 3 picture, my girl. Where you are going with that, sir? Huh? What's going on here? Who don't get a paper? They get a paper. What one?
Ladies coming in.
Come, hurry, hurry, hurry. Hey, where you going, Pitney? Which school? You are time. So only come. Hurry up and find a chair. Where you go? Over there, so. Oh, you're late. Tell you no make it happen again, you know, brother. Eh? That's it. This is last year.
Come.
Party, what going over here, so? Come, try. Come, need to see how work them. Try. Eh? I might have a shade. This no shade. No. Shade. It's not circle, it's shade. Shade. Fully shade. Yes. What going on, so? So do something there now. Do something to you. What going on, so? You don't have the question. You don't have it. See question there. Where your phone there? Take out your phone. Take a picture of the question. She take the picture of the question name. Start from 1. Come. After that, you make sure take the picture. What going on there, so? And now you just switch and come back number 2. Quick. Speed up. Come, speed up. What going on over there, sir? Come, do something fast. Do, me not see nothing. More speed. Huh? No, multiple choice, you know, brother. You figure it out and answer the question. No working, no need for sure. Multiple choice. Let's go. What going on, sir? Huh? No, I trouble the one day I guess you know it's no bathroom. Fine, where you going with over there, sir? Come, we need more speed. Nothing wrong with that. Come, more speed. What you do? No, explain your teacher. Do your work at number 2, you're the gum. Do not. Nothing wrong. I know exam this and a CXE, me we know what to teach over. I know nothing if you get a little bit today. And when you get a little bit next time, just go and try all of them. Go to the next one. Enough with hello. Hello. Come, try. No, but you have to try. No, just try first. It'll tell me what you don't understand. Just try. Talk to me. The step doesn't matter as long as I get the answer. Look, sir, yes. We need more speed. Oh, this have 2 answers. Or what is?
Need another one.
No, that's X out. Come, try all of them, Pitney. Answer me blast off. Come on, what going on, sir? Effort. Let's go.
No,
These are them first class. I'm gonna give them something else. Come, let them do the self-test.
Share the book, what page?
Chapter 1, self-test. Hello. This is the first week. The second week. You're not expected to be perfect in the second week. Do all you can so we know what to do. It tastes nice, no? That me do. Me do. You done?
The bubble sheets.
Write down the letter then. Write down the letter then for one paper. Write down the answer A, B, C, D, E, F, G. We mark it. Boy, you need more speed. Time soon up. You're the 2. All right? What you are going with? Effort. Yes. Or you just come. I'll call it not next week. Them have to come early, man. Just write it on paper, answer sheet done. Write A, B, C, D on a paper. Me mark it. Call Sharon and tell her, say, we need 200 patty. Come, give me a paper. Nobody go down there, go show nobody. Come.
Who's this? Write the your name on it.
Paddy, we need a name for this. You never write a name.
The final answer said, well, 5. So we should have said express 3 times negative. So express this about fraction. Then if you get it close. You get 3 over 1,000, right?
Or you man go cheap. Short bar, swim there. I'm gonna get candy already. This one?
Sure.
Open.
30% ice cream, Antoine.
Right, it pan. No, I don't think even there for the first day. Some of them are bomb class, some more picking account. Oh Lord. Right, it pan. I tell him to take him time and him go on like him a king. Antoine.
Maria's finished.
Talk to you, I take the thing serious. So quick you're done, you get 17. So it takes some time, no man.
Then I say, yo, I say can read, so
Yes, but if you review some more, man, I want to go on yet, so you don't have to give me and like I just mark something. Man, over this one. Over that. Yeah, man, me mark it over, man. Go over. Your paper crush up, so. That fight on there? Or you done already? You got chat GPT? We have the technology. So you're done and you know go over your answer there. Let me get that. Hein? Oh, you done and you know go over. No, hey, where are you, yourself? Listen, make him do it by himself.
No, sir. No.
Oh, well, all right. You know what I look over yourself.
Oh, you get it.
Drag it back. Like what? Just write it down. So write it on paper. A, B, C, D, E, F. Write A for answer A, B for answer B. You understand? Next week, me carry more paper. Speed. What time? Time soon up in a speed. Time soon up. Speed. And so me blast. More speed. What time is it, Abina? 30 minutes to go. More speed. Yes. Yeah. How it go? Oh, you carry your exam time and get 80. Hey. Mm-hmm. 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 Mm-hmm.
Yes, a positive role could be a negative.
Let me see the question.
Let's leave it alone. It's not going to be
These are the question.
Wait, they show me.
Number 5. 18 minus 3 over 12. 18.
18 minus 3 square. So this number come with its own sign. So it's negative 3 square, which means negative 3 times negative 3, which I give a positive 9. So I got 18 plus 9.
Oh.
See? More speed. Maybe it's a bomb that question. Bracket. Number 5, is it? See, bomb that. 18 negative 3 squared. So it's minus 3 times minus 3. Shall I get positive 9? And then we blast off. Come on, try. You done? You done? Give me. Who finish? Who finish? Who finish? How we look for Papa? We look for. Oh. And so we blast off. You can give them back. I will have a rotted thing to give them back when you're done. Here, baby. Yeah. See two, yeah. Swaby. Swaby, two there behind. Let me just write ABC on a paper. All working out is good. No, I don't need working out for this. I just say answer. What go answer? What go answer? Let me see where they. This me answer. So what is? More speed. What go answer? More speed.
Women wanted no more.
Alright. Come, make him tell you which one you get wrong and look over it. Look over that set where you get wrong. Thank you. Yeah, hey, you done? Lowest harmonic for 24 and 36. Oh, soon work it out. No late. Why you late? You gotta do here. Okay, well, wake up early. Which why you late? From here. Number 30. And three different picture, my girl. Take the picture of somebody else. Let me see that there, sir. Yeah, so you need number 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. In a group, you have the three picture? We have one picture, three picture, yeah? Here are the next picture. Eh? When we get plugged from the gear. Who else? Who else? Come now talk to me. Pass that. All right. Straight in. Hmm? All right. Cool. Lord have mercy. Lord, I love you. Lord, I need you. Lord, I need. See there? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Boot camp. About million. But now work it out now, so I don't need it. Where are we? Where are we? Passed over. Where are we? You ready for me work it out? You ready for me work them out? Done? How they doing? Don't you? Which one? Who have this one? You finish? How much you get? Hmm? You done? Maths easy. Yeah. You see how you did talk to people and step number 10? Roll out. What time is it? 15 more minutes. A 3 picture. No? 15 minutes. Hmm? Who not done, not done. Lord, I need in the middle of the night. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Left your back. Left your back. What time am I? I just give them 15. Come and say them do nothing. Left your back, me say. See that? Abina? Mm-hmm. All right. Finish, Malcolm. Sometimes yes. Finish. Lord, I love you. Lord, I need you. Lord, I need you. Let me see. In the middle of the night. All right. When we go through, you take the answer. I'm going to tell you it is. You done? Huh? Mhm. Mhm. Anybody else want a little more time or no want me work them now? Which are the man? Which part? Which part? Don't take one. Oh, number 30. See, there, just scroll over. See that? Ready? Come, pass up all papers. Pass the paper them up. Make me just do them now. Come, pass them up. You don't want me to do them? What one answer? All right, guys. Yeah, but might as well take the time and show no video. Hmm? Hmm? I think so. I'm going to party. Come, make we go through all of them. Pass the papers to the front. Yeah, you have to finish. Pass the paper to the front. All right, 5 more minutes. Hurry up. Yes, next week we'll do better. Come. Come early so we can start early. I'm going to also give you homework. You don't have to do the homework. Sorry, I think I put in them. What? These are completed? Oh, okay. Yeah. And so, just turn them up. So, you know, so when I do. Mhm. Okay, okay. Hey, nothing wrong. Turn it up. All right, all papers to the front. Yeah, man, but next time we will do better. Come, all papers to the front. All papers to the front. Pass them up, pass them up, pass them up, pass them up. Pass them up. All papers to the front. I'm going to give you this as homework again anyway. You have to come back. All papers to the front. All papers to the front. Pass them up, pass them up. You are time. You want to get a spot where you can look inside and see the blackboard. Kevin. Kevin. In a group, make Abina. All right, I'm going to beg you a favor. When we work the question them, let's take a picture of the board and then Abina put in the group. So you send it to Abina if you don't want to go. All right, thank you. All right. All papers have been sent in. Come, send them up. Send them up. Let's go. Send up the papers. Thank you. Send up the papers. Come, send them up. Send them up. Send them up. Send them up. All right. Come, send them up. Send them up. Ready, Skip? Teach. Ready? All right, listen. Shh. Listen. Listen. Listen, please. Listen. Shh. Listen to me. The first thing you have to accept in this life is that there are some people that have to do more than others to make it. If you don't accept that, you're in trouble. Because you have to do more, things like not doing the homework don't make no sense. If you give up on yourself already, you have to tell me, make me give up on you. But I haven't given up on you as yet. So when we teach, if you don't understand, you ask. When we send the homework, it have to be done. We will be giving you worksheets next week. I'm going to put homework in the thing. Take your time and do it. We're going to perfect this thing. Now, first, make we say we're not where we want to be. If you believe you can do it, we can work together. I believe you can do it. So I'm going to go through these questions. When it finishes, he will take a photograph of it and send it in the group. That means you don't have to write. Just focus and understand. Are we clear? All right. We want somebody to read the questions. Who will do that for me? You will do that for me. All right. Please give me question 1. You will write down your answer. No, we'll just put the answer sheet in the group. We have the answer sheet. So we'll put it in the group. Give me the question. Huh? Oh, no. The test. Simplify. Shh. Eyes on the board. We are showing how it easy come. So we're simplifying 3 over 4 plus 5 over 6. That's it. So we have 3 over 4 plus 5 over 6 coming over our rough work. What are the 2 denominators? So you put your 4 and 6. So we put 4 over 6 crisscross. Can this break down? 4 over 6, 2 into 4, 2 times, 2 into 6, 3 times. So that is 2 over 3. So that means, therefore, that it is 6 2 is 12 or 4 3 is 12. So therefore, our LCM is 12. We will say the denominator, first denominator into LCM, will give me 4 into 12, 3, bracket 3. Everybody see that? It is 4 into 12, which gives me 3. Oi! 4 into 12, 3. And then now we multiply it by the numerator 3. Everybody see that? So what happens here now? 6 into 12. And we multiply it by what? So now we have 3 3s 9 plus 2 5s 10. So we have 9 plus 10 over 12, which is equal to 19 over 12, which is equal to 12 and 7, 1 and 7 over 12. Is that there? Is 1 and 7 over 12 there? So 19 over 12 is there. That means that the answer is 19 over 12. Everybody see that? Most people got that one right? All right. Next. 7 over 8. The next one was 7 over 8 minus 3 over 12. First step, 3 over 10. First step, go over to my rough work. What are the two numbers I'm working with? 8 and 10. So 8 over 10, can that be broken down? Go over to my rougher work. 8 over 10, we start with 2. Can 2 go into 8? 4 times, can 2 go into 10? So we get 4 over 5. Crisscross, 4 over 5. 10 fours, 8 fives. So we know, so our LCM is what? 40. We say 8 into 40, how many times? 5 times bracket 7. 10 into 40, how many times? 4 times bracket 3. 5 sevens 35, minus 4 threes 12 over 40. 35 minus 12, that is going to give me 23 over 40. The answer is 23 over 40. Is that there? Everybody's understanding so far? All right. Question number 3. Come, let's go. 14 over 50 25 over 28. That is it. What is this implying? It implies multiply. Whenever there's brackets without any sign, it implies that you're multiplying the results of two brackets. Is there a result here? Yes, this is the final result. Is that a result there? Because it could have been something to work out, but this is not to work out. So you go simply to say this implies 14 over 15 times 25 over 28. The first step is to find, hey, you give up on yourself? Yellow blouse. You give up? So you look out the door on grass. On board. See? All right. We find if there's any division that can be made. I know some numbers, so I know 14 can go into 28. But the easiest thing is to use a prime number. What is a prime number? A number that can only be divided by 1 on itself. One of them is 2. So I'm going to use prime number 2. Can 2 go into 14? Goes 7 times. Can 2 go into 28? Goes how much? Now, Mr. System, we can use another prime number, 7. Can 7 go into 7? Can 7 go into 14? Everybody see that? But when we look on it, we know say 14 to 14 one time, 14 to 20 two times. But if you use your prime factorization, you cannot go wrong. Everybody understand? Good. Now we're going to use prime numbers here. What's the prime number? 5. 5 into 15. 5 into 25. Can we go any further? So now we have 1 times 5 over 3 times 2 equal to 5 over 6. Is that there? Not that for them there. Is it as hard as we were making it? I'm not supposed to go on 3 already. Next. 9/16. Number 4. 9/16. Divided by 3/8. Pass. Where are you going with this, sir? We don't have to check if you're right today. Just make sure we learn. Black. You give up on yourself? So you now watch. You are daydream. We are daydream about. All right, look on the board. Ready? 9/16 times 3/8. What do we do when time we have division? So that means that 9/16 times 8/3. We're going to look now. Is there any number at the top that can cancel at the bottom? I'm going to start with the 8. What are we going to use? No, what are we going to use? 2 prime. So 28 goes 4 times, 2016. Now we go 4. 24. 28. 22. 24. Everybody see that? I'm going to come up here so now. Is anyone? Which prime number? 23. 29. So that me boss said 29 at 2. So that gives me 3 times 1 over 2 times 1 equal to 3/2 or 1.5. Is there any one of those there? Which one is there? All right, cool. Next, everybody see how me get 1.5? You see how me get 1.5? 3/2, 23, 1 time, leave 1, 1/2. Everybody see that? Go over here. You have 3/2. So you get 3/2. You're going to do that. 2, 3. 2 into 3. 1 time. 2 bracket left 1. This one is the big number. This one goes over the 2. Everybody see that? Everybody see that? Good. Suppose me to get 4/2. You're going to put 2 in this. 4. You which one put in this? The one below. You see that? Good. 2 into 4. 2 2s. It left nothing. That's why it is only 2. You see that? Suppose me to say 5/2. What we put in here, sir? What we put in here, sir? All right, 2 into 5. 2 2s. Left 1. What got the big number? And then 1/2. You see that? You see that? Oi! You give up on yourself? White shirt. Behind yellow ribbon. You give up on yourself? So you see that? All right. Work with me on one day. 9/4. How it work? How it work? Where you put in here, sir? Where you put in here, sir? 4 into 9. 2 4s. Left 1. You see that? So come and say, what is the big number? And walk over the 4. Me boss head. Last one, 11/4. What going there, sir? What going there, sir? 4 into 11. 4 2s. This left how much? What go up, sir? A big number. And then what over 4? You see that? Catch that for me. 100 enough you get pan them something, you know. Ready again now. Number 5. All right. Yes. 18 minus 3 squared. Watch it. Okay, hey, me boss head in a boy. Times 2 plus 4. What is this? All right, so we're going to go bod mass. What is the first thing we have to do in a bod mass? Do you see a bracket? What do you see? You see an order. An order means it is raised to a power. Now, look at this. Every number carries its sign. So this is what? -3. This is what? Positive 18. This is what? Positive 2. You just don't write plus 2 because you know say it's plus 2. This is what? Everybody see that? Good. So the number carried sign. So this therefore is minus 3 squared. Minus 3 squared. Now, every number, where y'all go pick me? Every number squared is positive. You know why? Because in mathematics, negative times negative equal positive. Positive times positive equal positive. Negative times positive equal negative. Positive times negative equal negative. Negative divided by negative equal positive. Positive divided by positive equal positive. Positive divided by negative equal negative. And negative divided by positive equal negative. Now what do you observe here? When the signs are the same, when multiplying and dividing, the answer is positive. When the signs are different, when multiplying and dividing, the answer is negative. Everybody understand that? What we said a while ago? When multiplying or dividing, when the signs are the same, the answer, and when the signs are different, the answer is, so therefore, no, not yet. So when the signs are the same, negative and negative, what happened? Positive. So every number squared is going to be positive because negative 3 times negative 3, the signs are what? So it's going to be positive. And positive 3 times positive 3, the signs are what? What the signs are what? The same. So it's going to be positive. So every number squared, because it is a multiplication of itself, then the signs must be the same. Are you understanding that? So negative 3 squared is negative 3 times negative 3, which gives you positive 9. Everybody see that? So therefore, you are going to have an equation 18 plus 9 times 2 plus 4. Everybody see that? What do we do next? You're going to multiply. So you're going to go 18 plus 9 2s 18 plus 4. Everybody see that? And then we say 18 and 18 are 36 plus 4. That means that 40. Is 40 there? Is 40 there? All right, them say 40 not there. 3 square 9. 9 2s 18. 18, 18. 2 8 36 plus 4 40. 40 not there? Yeah, before, because this before. Was this in a bracket? All right, me come back to the one day. The only way... No. May I come back? The only way this can be 4 is if this is minus 18. No. Can't be. Because if you have 2 negative, I get positive. That's why the square root of 4 is plus or minus 2. Because minus 2 square is 4. Something wrong with it. May I come back to the one here?
Okay.
May I come back to 5? Give me number 6. 24. 2 times 3 plus 5. All right. What do we work first? All right. So that is 24 divided by 6 plus 5. What next? 24 divided by 6, 4 plus 5. 4 plus 5 is 9 there. All right, good. Next. Oh, sorry. Everybody mark off. Next. 5 over 6. All over 18. Of 18. So it look. Of 9. All right. What does of mean in mathematics? Of means multiply. Everybody see that? What does sum mean in mathematics? Okay. What was subtract mean in mathematics? So of means multiply. So this implies 5 over 6 times 18 bracket minus 2 over 3 times 9. This implies 5 over 6 times 18 over 1. 6 into 6. That I go 3 into 6. 2 times. 3 into 18. 6 times. 2 into 2. 1 time. 2 into that. 3 times. Is there any more? It implies 5 times 3 over 1 times 1. That implies 15 over 1. The second bracket, 2 over 3 times 9 over 1. That implies 3 into 3, 1 time, 3 into 3, 3 times, 2 times 3 over 1 times 1. Implies 6 over 1. Therefore, 15 over 1 times 6 over 1, that is supposed to be equal to 90. Is 90 there? Is 90 there? Everybody see that?
5, 7, 9.
5 over 6 of 18. No, oh, minus. So, no, see the minus. I want to know, man. 2, 3, 6 over 1. You know, see, it's a minus. It implies 15 over 1 minus 6 over 1. Any number over 1 is not a fraction. So you come say you do that. 15 minus 6. 9 is there.
Yes.
Everybody see that? This is a minus sign. See that, brawling? See that?
This was a worded question.
Next question. Reduce 84 over 126 to the lowest term. You want to learn a trick? If the numbers in a number add up, can be divided by 3, it can be divided by 3. 8 and 4. 8 and 4, 12. Not true. Can 12 be divided by 3? That means that this number can be divided by 3. 1 and 2 plus 6. Can it be divided by 3? That means that this number can be divided by 3. If when you add the numbers, it can be divided by 3, it can be divided by 3. Everybody understand that? So we can use 3, but we can do 2 same way. 2 into 84. 2 into 8. 42. You don't have to guess. See, if you don't know it, you don't go on a rough work paper. 2 into 84 means 84 divided by 2. 2 into 8. 4 times. 2 4s. Carry down that. This is a 4. 2 into 4. 2 4s. 2 we mean. So that's a 42. You see that? Everybody see that? 2 into 1, 26. Go over on a rough work same way. Don't. It's a shortcut. Is when we reach perfect. Don't bother the shortcut. 126 divided by 2. 2 into 12. 2 6. 2 into 6. 2 3s. So 2 into 1, 26. Now 63. Do it by a calculator. Can 3 go into 42? What's the trick? 4 plus 2 is 6. Don't 3 can go into 6? What's the 6? 6 plus 3 and 9. So that means a 3 can go in these two. You see that? So we'll start to go into 3. 3 into 42. Come over here, sir. 42 divided by 3. 3 into 42. 3 into 4. 3 ones. Carry 1. 3 into 12. The answer is 14. Let's see how you get it. 3 fours. You see that? You see how the answer is 14? A primary school. 14. We are going to 63. 3 into 63. 63. 3. 3 into 6. 3 twos. 3 into 3. The answer is 21. You see that? All right. This is not finished. We are going to prime again. Can 2 go into 14? Can 2 go into 21? And what my boss said, the only numbers 2 can go into are even numbers are 0. Everybody understand that? So if we don't end with 0 or an even number, 2 cannot go into it. Is this an even number? 21? No, you don't end with an even number. Good. So can 2 go into 14? But it cannot go into. So we move to the other one. 3. Can 3 go into 14? Not without a remainder. Because 3 fours is 12 and 3 fives is 15. Everybody see that? Come. Can 5 go into 14? Can 7 go into 14? Why did I go 2, 3, 5, 7? Prime numbers. Are you understanding? Can 7 go into 14? Can 7 go into 21? All right, so 7 to 14. 7 to 21. So the answer is 2 over 3. Is that there? Everybody understand? You understand? Want to see why we use the prime numbers? Because when you have a number big like this, the answer is actually 3. What would you do? 2? 2 times. What would you use this again? 3 times 7. So this is 42. A 42 we use, you know. But we're not going to know 42 out on the head. Divide 84 by 42. Huh? And divide 126 by 42. But you wouldn't know that out of your head. So that's why I go prime factors. Everybody understand? How we use 2, 3, and 7. That's how we know say 42. All right, ready again. Next one. You take the picture of this already? Picture, man. Make sure you do good sound. Come again. We're going to go by it. 84 over 126. First one we're going to do is what? 2. It'll give you 42 over 63. All right. So 42 over 63. Which one we're going to use? 3. Because 6 and 9 can divide it by 3. Want to see how we know say 3? So that'll give me how much? Not take it. Hold on. That'll give me how much? 3 into 4. 1. Carry 1, 12. 3, 14 over 21. And then the next one we get 14 over 21. We are going to 7, 2, 3. So the answer is 2 over 3. Everybody see that? Can do that now. Everybody see that? Next time when you see it, when you can get it right. All right, next. Word the question. Which fraction is the largest? Give me them. 3 over 4. 5 over 8. 7 over 10. And 2 over 3. All right. Now remember when I told you about different types of things. If you have 5 bananas, you have 2 orange, you have 6 mango, and you have 7 pineapple. How can I add them? How can I as fruits so them have to come to the equal common multiple? Everybody understand that? The only way you can compare these is to carry them to an equal common multiple. So the first...
Just pointing something out, right? Can you highlight Bianca parchment? She almost got a perfect score. So
Who name Bianca Parchment? Are you? Oh, can't stop that wrong, because I'll be able to see this guess. Who name Bianca? So what? So why make a shame? No, nobody knows say no nothing. I will go up and chat GPT. Who name so? In the copy of a Bianca quick, I'm seeing. All right, congrats. Ready? Watch me now. So the first thing you have to do is to find the LCA. I don't love how now look different places now. You know so. The first thing you have to do is find the LCM of all four numbers. What are the four numbers? Come over my rough work. 4, 8, 6, and 3. Not true? How was it 3? So who's a 6? Lie, man. All right. So you're going to take the first two. 4 and 8. 4 over 8. Can this be broken down? So it can be broken down into 1 over 2. See it here? 4 over 8. I go 2 into that 2 times, 2 into that 4 times, 2 into that 1 time, 2 into that 2 times. Everybody see that? 1 over 2. So 4 over 8 crisscross 1 over 2. So 2 4 is 8 and 8 1 8. So I know that is correct. So I'm going to put on my 8. I'm now going to put the next number over it. 10 over 8. Can that be broken down? Yes. 10 over 8. 2 into that 5 times, 2 into that 4 times. Crisscross is going to be 5 over 4. 4 tens, 8 fives, 40. So that's going to be 40. I'm going to put the next number over that. 3 over 40. Can that be broken down anymore? No. Because 4 plus 0 is going to be 4 and 3 cannot go into 4. So I'm going to say 3 can't go into that. Are you understanding? If it was 42, yes, because 4 plus 2 is 6. 3 can go into 42. Are you understanding? If it was 41, what? No, because 4 plus 1 is 5 and 3 can go into 5 without a remainder. Everybody understand that? All right. So we know that can do. So we do 3 over 4. So the answer seems to be 120. Is that 120 the answer? Make we see. If 120 is the answer, what we're going to go over here, so now I say LCM equal 120. So now we're going to do this. 4 times x equal 120. X equal 120 divided by 4, x equal 30. Everybody see that? Good. Now come here, so now. 8 times x equal 120. So that means x equal 120 over 8. X equal, how much that? That look like someone in a 15 bracket there. 15? 120 divided by 8. 120 divided by 8. All right. All right. And then now I'm going to say 10 times x equal 120. X equal 120 over 10. X equal 12. And then I'm going to say 3 times x equal 120. X equal 120 over 3. X equal 40. What I have found is the multiplication factor that must take all of these to 120. Everybody see that? So therefore, I can now rank my things to say, which one was the 3 over 4? X equal 30. So 3 bracket 30 over 120. What the other one? 8. So that means a 5 bracket 15 over 120. What the other one? 7 bracket 12 over 120. And the other one? 42 bracket 40 over 120. Everybody see what I've done there? I know so the common base is 120. So 4 times 30 is 120. You see it? Everybody see that? So if I do the lower part, what is the basis of mathematics? No balance. So 4 times 30, I have to go to 3 times 30. You see that? Everybody see that? The other one, 8 times 15 give you 120. If I do the base by 15, what do I have to do by the top? Huh? I have to do it by the same 15. Everybody see that? The other one, 10 times 12 give you 120. What do I have to do by the top? I have to do the same 12. You see that? And the other one, 3 times 40 give me 120. What do I have to do with the top? The same. Everybody see that? So now I go there 3 times, that's 90 over 120. And that is 45. How much? 5 times 15, how much? 75. 75 over 120. And 7 times 12 is how much? 84 over 120. And then 2 times 40 is how much? 80 over 120. So all I have to do now is to just put the top numbers in ranking, because all of these are now the same. These are fruits. Everybody see that? Which number is the smallest top number? What the question asks me? The largest. So 75 over 120 is the smallest. What's the next one? 80 over 120 is the second smallest. What's the next one? 84 over 120, that's the third smallest. What's the next one? So which one is the largest? Everybody see that? Turn them in our? Much harder unless you have a calculator. Because this is a 0.75, but this will be a difficult decimal to find. This will be 0.7 and this will be 0.66. Watch me. But me I say without a calculator. So me I get 0.66 here so. Me I get 0.7 here so. Me I get, me not sure here so. And me I get 0.75 there so. This one now me have to find a way to turn it in at base 10. It can be difficult. You see that? Without, remember you know if you have no calculator time. Multiple choice. Next one. Which one we get is the largest one? Which one is the largest one? 90 over 20, 3 over 4. All right, next one. Take the picture of him. Next one. LCM. So find the LCM of 24 and 36. Everybody's supposed to get that right. What we do over here, so? Well, we don't have to do it over here, so because the question asks you that, so only in a rough work. So that means that 24 over 36 crisscross. Can that be broken down? Yes. Come over here, so. 24 over 36, 2 into 24, 12. 2 into 36. How do you know? Stop guessing. Go over on the rough work. See there? 24 divided by 2. 2 into 2, 1 time. 2 ones, 2. Negative. Come, nothing. 4. Come now. 2 into 4, 2 times. 2 twos, 4. Nothing. So the answer is 12. Want to see how you get 12? 2 into 36. Come on. Don't run a shortcut on that drop blood. 2 into 36. 2 into 3. 1 time. 2 ones, 2. Carry 1. Come down with 6. 2 into 16. 8. 2, 8, 16. Nothing. So that is 8. Everybody see that? Pink, you see that? Yes. All right. What can go in at this again? 2 look like it can go again. 2 into 12. 2 into 18. What can go into those? 3 into 6. So we now have 2 over 3. So it's a 3 times 24. That look like 72. And 3 times 36. So you go. 2 times 36, 72. Oh, we know something wrong a while ago. Because it's 72. The 2 side have to be 72. So So 3 times 36 would have been like 108, and that would have been incorrect. Everybody understand that? So therefore, we say 3 times 24, 72. How do I know 3 times 74 is 72? 3 times 74 is equal, 3 times 24 is equal to 3 times bracket 20 plus 4 is equal to 3 times 20, 60 plus 3 times 4, 12 is equal to 72. Everybody see that? Want to see that? That's the associative law and distributive law of mathematics. You see how it's simple? Good. How do I know that 2 times 36 is 72? 2 times 36 is equal to 2 times 30 plus 6. 2 times 30. 2 times 6. 72. You see? Everybody see that? You see that? Good. So the answer, therefore, is 72. Is that there? All right, next. Which I reach? I saw long way I take 11. Party soon come, no go like no hungry. Come. LCM of 15, 18, and 20. What do we do? What are our numbers? 15, 18, 20. We do the first two. 15 over 18. Can 3 go into those? How do I know? 1 and 5 are 6. 3 can go into 6. 1 and 8 and 9. 3 can go into 9. Some knows that 3 can go into it. Everybody see that? You see that, ma'am? Me boss say, Ed, where you right? Where you go on phone? You see that? You see that, mama? 1 and 5 are 6. You add the number, them in a number. You see that? And 1 and 8 and 9. So 3 can go in 2 of them. So 3 can go in 6 and 3 can go in 9. You see that? Good. So therefore, we got 3 into 15. 3 into 18. 6. Everybody see that? So you can break down to 5 over 6. So we come and go 15 over 18 crisscross 5 over 6. That means that this is 90. How do I know it's 90? I know it is 90 because 6 times 15 is equal to 6 times 10 plus 5 is equal to 6, 10, 60 plus 30 is equal to 90. You want to see it? Want to see it? How the math easy? Come again now. 5 times 18. 5 times 18 is equal to 5 times bracket 10 plus 8. Isn't 10 plus 8 18? Huh? So 5 times 10, 50 plus 5, 8 is 40. You see it? So that give me back 90. You see it? From a look on it, I know. The laws of mathematics is not brightness, is the law. All right. So we come now and say, how much we get this on 90? So we're going to put the other number, because these two finish. 20 over 90. Crisscross. It will be 2 over 9. How do I know it's 2 over 9? I can do, first of all, divided by 2, 20 over 90. We can divide by 2, but I also know so from 0 and 0, I can divide by 10. Everybody see that? But if I divide it by 2, that will give me 10 over 45. If I divide it by 2, that will give me 5. 2 can go in a 45. 3 can go in a 45. 3 can go in a 10. Can 3 go into 45? Of course, you can go in a 45. 4 plus 5 is 9. But you can't go in a 10. Me teach you a million times about me. Fling this in your forehead. Ready? Can 3 go into 10? No, because 1 plus 0 give you 1, and 3 can't go in a 1. I don't see that. Can 3 go in a 45? Because 4 plus 5 give you 9. You see that? So we can't use 3. What we go for next? 5. Can 5 go into 10? And 5 go into 45? Any number at 0 and 5 can use 5. So you go 5 into 10 2 times and 5 into 45. That will give me 5 into 45, 6, 7, 8, 9. 2 over 9. Everybody see that? Everybody see that? Good. Now, you know, say 5, 9 is 45. 5 times 9 is equal to 5 times 10 minus 1. 10 minus 1 is 9. 510 times minus 5 times 1. That's not 45. You see that? You see that? Good. So we'll come over here so now 2 over 9. So that means that we'll carry this over here so now to be 2 over 9. So that means that 90 times 2 is 180. 9 times 20 is 180. How do I know that 9 times 20 is 180? 9 times 20 equal 9 times 10 plus 10 equal 90 plus 90 equal 180. How do I know that 90 plus 90 is 180? 90 plus 90 is 90 plus 10 plus 80. Because I take off 10 off of this. You don't see that? Huh? So 90 plus 10 plus 80, that's 100 plus 80. You don't see how math's easy? Yes. Five times 9. So I want to write 9 in the next way, very easy to calculate. So I'm going to say 5 times 10 minus 1. And 9 that. So 5 times 10. But you have to carry back a minus. 5 times 5. 50 minus 5. No, 5. See 5 here. So when you get a 5, you never come from morning. 5 times 9. So if 5 remain. Are you understanding? I could also go on and say 5 times 5 plus 4. That's a 9 same way. 5 5s. And 5 4s. 25 plus 20. You see it? You see it? All right. What would they know? So the answer is supposed to be 180. Is 180 there? Everybody see that? Want to understand how to find the LCM of multiple numbers? Who says, sir? Yes. You understand, my boy? You sure you understand? You sure? You understand? You understand? All right, want me to go back over it? All right. Let me give me 3 number. Give me baby 3 number. 15, 18, and 20. Look on the board. So the first thing I'm going to do, I take the first 2 numbers, 15 and 18. So you're going to put 15 over 18 crisscross and break it down to the smallest term. We're coming over here so to break it to the smallest term, 15 over 18. I want to know which prime number can go into it. I will start with 2. Can 2 go into 15? So that means it cannot be 2. So I'm going to go to 3. How do I know if it is 3? If these 2 numbers added can be divided by 3 without a remainder. 1 plus 5 will give me 6, and 1 plus 8 will give me 9. Both of them can be divided by 3. So we can use 3. You understand that? All right, good. So I'm going to go 3 into 15 5 times, and 3 into 18 6 times. You see that? 3, 6, 18. It can't go down no more. So now I carry to my crisscross 5 over 6. You see that? So now I say 6 times 15, that gives me 90. That's the result. 18 times 5 also give me 90. So I know say it correct because the 2 sides must give you the same thing. Everybody see that? So I'm the 90 now. I must carry now my next number 20 over the 90. Are you see? You see that? And then I go crisscross again. And I break it down. I'm going to get 2 over 9. So that means that 2 times 90 is 180. And to check it, I say 9 times 20 is 180. So that means that the answer is 180. Everybody see that? You are done. You see that? Now come over to choose a test. You know? Yeah, look. Picture. You understand that? Who don't understand? Oi, you give up on yourself, you look out the door. You good? No. Eh? You good? You give up? All right. White shirt, where you right? I'm not telling you I take a picture. Nah, for right, man. But I take the picture, put in the group, you just looking at the picture. You understand? Good. You understand? All you do is get yourself trouble. Listen. You give up? Listen, don't ramp with me. Hey! Where you think about? You stressed out your problem? Watch your board then. Next one. You not see how easy it is to forget 100%. Who not understand? Everybody understand so far? Next one.
Fraction.
Fraction.
Open bracket 3/5.
Open bracket 3/5. Plus 2/15. Close bracket. All of this over. Open bracket.
7/10.
7/10. Minus 1/5. Close bracket. All right. If this came into regular CXC, that's a working above the line. So that's a working above the line. Why do we write working above the line? To show them that we're taking this part out. Are you understanding? The next way is to work it with this, that work it with this, that work it with this, that, and then you get confused. Just take out this part and work above the line. The first bracket, which is above the line. If this was not in this form, you'd have said work in first bracket. But there's no first bracket. It's above the line and below the line. Are you understanding? If it was written 3/5 plus 5/15 divided by bracket 7/10, you'd have said work in first bracket. But they didn't say divided by, them put the line, which means divided by. So you're working above the line. Are you understanding? When we finish work above the line, what would I do for right next? Working below the line. So when we work those two, I can rewrite my equation. Everybody understand that? So I'm working above the line. That means a CXC now look for this because they only tell them say I work this. Everybody understand that? So working above the line, which gives me 3/5 plus 2/15, and then I draw my line. What's my LCM? What's the two numbers I'm working with? 5 and 15. Everybody more here when you know count they now say not now understand. 5 and 15. So we come and say 5/15 crisscross. Can that be broken down? Yes, it will end up with 1/3. Are you understanding? 5/15. All right, come. Can 2 go into 5? No. Can 3 go into 5? 3 can go into 5. 5 and 0 give something divided by 3. 3 cannot go into 5. Can 3 go into 15? Because 5 and 1 are 6. You see how it won't work it out? But 3 can't use. Can 5 go into 5? And 5 into 15. Everybody see that? So I end up get 1 times 3. You see how I get it? 3 5s. 3 5. 15 times 1. Hey, tell Sharon open the party. They might drop down. Come. 3 5. 15 times 1. So what's the LCM? All right, good. So then now we say 5 into 15. You see that step? Can no one get the step wrong enough? 5 into 15 goes how much? And then you multiply by what? By this above the line. And then now you care about my sign. Plus 15 into 15. And you multiply by what? Everybody see that? All right. So now we're going to come over here. So 3 3s plus 1 3 over 15 equal to that are what? 12/15? Oh, that are 2. So on a blind man, sure. 11. Who's in? Come, like I get it right. So one lollipop. I will say. Come. All right, everybody see that? So what we're gonna do now? What we're gonna tell CXC now? We're working below the line. Working. This is not for the multiple choice, you know. How now hurry up to get to the answer. We just work it as if it come in a paper 2 now. Are you understanding? So I'm teaching you 2 things one time. Working below the line. 7/10 minus 1/5. My LCM are going to be 10. You remember how to do LCM? What are the 2 numbers I'm working with? Now work with 5 and 10 or 10 and 5 anyway. So you say 10 over 5 crisscross. It can break down into 2 over 1. You see that? And you say 1 times 10, 10, 5 times 2, 10. If the two of them not equal, what is happening? You're wrong. Everybody see me? So we got 10. 10 into 10, 1 time, 1 bracket 7. Everybody see that step? Is there anybody that don't see this step? Is there anybody outside that don't see this step? You have the LCM of 10. You're going to put the denominator in the LCM. So 10 into 10 goes 1 time. And then you multiply it by the numerator. Everybody see that? Good. Then put your minus sign. 5 into 10. KC man, me boss your head. Look inside here. Come. Times 1. So that give me 7 minus 2 over 10. That give me 5 over 10. Everybody see that? So therefore, you're going to say to CXC right now, therefore, equation can be rewritten. Above the line was what? 11 over 15 over, below the line was what? 5 over 10. Everybody see that? So all I've done is to put the answer for above the line and the answer for below the line. So this is exactly this. Are you understanding? It therefore implies 11 over 15 divided by 5 over 10. Everybody see that? Everybody see that? This implies 11 over 15 times 10 over 5. Everybody see that? Anything above the line and below the line? 5 into this goes 2 times. 5 into this goes 3 times. Everybody see that? Nothing else can go. So that means I get 22 over 15, which is 11 times 2 over 3 times 5 equal 22 over 15. Is that there? Good. Or 1, and this is going to give me 7 over 15. Any one of them two there should be there. How did I get 1 and 7 over 15? I go over to my rough work and I put, what do I put in here, so? Who say 8? What do I put in here, so? The 15, the lower number, the denominator. What do I put in here, so? 15 into 22. 15 times 1. Leaving remainder what? What goes into the big number? What goes over the 15? Everybody see that? Pink, you see that? Ask her if she give up for me now. Yellow bandu, ask. Primsy, you give up? Huh? All right, look on the board then. Next. This take already? Next. Talk to me fast. Talk to me. Six divided by that, 2, that, 1 plus 2, that. All right. 6 divided by bracket 2, bracket 1 plus 2, close bracket. So this means inner bracket, outer bracket. So you're going to work inner bracket first and then work the other one. Are you understanding? So 6 divided by 2 bracket 1 plus 2, 3. That will give me 6 divided by 2, 3, 6. That will give me 1. Is 1 there? Everybody see that? How did we get it? You work bracket first, but you work inner bracket. Then now you work the next bracket. You see that? Then you get 6 divided by 6. Everybody get that? Everybody see that? You see that? Jago man? Jago? Where you get? Where you get? Where guess? All right, come work it together. Tell me how you do it. Tell me how you do it. Oh, you never do it. Oh. So no matter what come, you never get that. How you do it? Eh? But you understand now. You have two brackets. You work the inner bracket. Are you understanding? It is almost, this is saying 6 divided by 2 bracket 1 plus 2. That's what this is saying. If it was written like this, how would you have worked it? Are you seeing that? You'd have worked this bracket first, you see it? And then you multiply, don't? Same thing. Everybody understand? No, because Bum does say work bracket first. So while the answer would be the same, it would be incorrect. Because Brumba says work bracket first. So it would be 6 divided by 2 bracket 3. You see that? 6 divided by 6. The way that you would have worked it would have been 6 divided by 2 1s 2 plus 2 2s 4. And you'd have to still keep it in the bracket. So that gave back 6 divided by 6. Yes, but not mathematically correct because you should work bracket first. Everybody see that? Huh? Yes, but you have to work bracket first. Next. I can find one for sure so when you do it so you can get it wrong. Next. Open bracket. You detect the picture there? Open bracket, 5 over 12, close bracket, divided by, open bracket, 15 over 32, close bracket, multiply, open bracket, 8 over 5. All right, what do we do first? No, I'm not in my brackets to work out. So therefore, the brackets are just showing you that the functions exist. So we multiply first or we divide first. When you come in BOMDAS, you go from left to right as I explained, or you do BODMAS, right? So we are going to do this divide first. 15 over 12 divided by 15. Sorry. Divided by 15 over 32. Are you again? You want more bubble gum? Are you this time? You want bubble gum? No, I take them right now. All right, everything good then. All right, come. So 5 over 12 times 32 over 15. Everybody see that? Everybody see that? Where's Abina? Find out where this spotty thing is because I'll get hungry too. Ready now? We'll cancel down. 5 into 5 one time, 5 into that goes 3 times. Everybody see that? 2 into that 6 times, 2 into this goes what? 16. Listen, just come over here. So may I beg on you. Just do this pound of rough work. 32 divided by 2. 2 into 3. 1, 2 ones. 3 minus 2, 1. Carry down the 2. 2 into 12. 2, 6. Everybody see that? You see how we get 16? You see how we get 16? No shortcut. It's better if you get the exam right and then you live life easy. Don't get the exam easy and live life hard. All right? Cool. 16 over 3. All right. So can 2 go into 6? 3 times. Can 2 go into 16? 8 times. So now we have 1 times 8 over 3 times 3. So that will give me 8 over 9. All right? And then it's going to be multiplied by 8 over 5, which equal to 36 over 9 5s 45. Is that correct? Is it 36 over 45? All right. Can this be broken now? Something go wrong yesterday. Hold on. 5. So this go 5. And this go 5 into 5. And this go 2, 8, 16. So this are 8 over 3, 3 is 9. 8 over 9. Something wrong here, someone.
8, 8.
Something wrong though. Come again. Start over. 5/12 divided by 15/32. 5/12 times 32/15. That'll give me 3. That'll give me 1. 12. That'll give me 6. That'll give me 16. 32, 16. Right. That'll give me 3. That'll give me 8. So this is 8/9 times 8/5. 8 8s are 64. And 9 5s 45. Is that there? Okay. Need a new marker. Next. Abina, have you called Sharon? What they said? Mixed numbers. 5 and 1/4. Minus 2 and 5/6. Anything else? As I said, I love to change the improper fraction. You could have said 5 minus 2 and you put down that down here so and all of that. But I'm going to go improper fraction. Changing to improper fraction. 4 5s, 21/4, minus 6 2s, 17/6. LCM look like 12. How am I going to know that the LCM is 12? What are my numbers? 4/6 crisscross. It can break down into 2/3. 3 4 is 12, 6 2 is 12. Everybody see that? By now, you must know LCM. 12. Where do I go from here? By. Divide the LCM by the denominator. So 4 into 12. Bracket 21. Minus 6 into 12. Bracket 17. So that is going to give me 3 times 21. That is 63. Minus 2 times 17, that look like 34/12. That is going to give me 29/12. That means that is going to be 29/12. That's going to be, that is there? So we have to do now 12 into that. That's 3, 2 12s, 24, and 5/12. Is that there? How did I get 2 and 5/12? Huh? 29/12. What goes in here, so? What goes in here, so? 12 into 29. 12 twos. 29 minus 24. What goes in the big number? Me boss said. What goes over the 12? Everybody see that? You see that? You don't see that? I have the improper fraction 29/12. 29/12 is saying 29 divided by 12. I therefore do it long division. I go and put my long division sign and put 29 divided by 12. Are you seeing that? 12 into 29. 2 times. 12 twos. 24. So now 29 minus 24 give me 5. Can 12 go into 5? No. So therefore your big number, or you call your whole number, is above this here, so which is 2. And then your numerator is 5/12. You see it? 2, 5, 12. You see that? Everybody see that? Good. Next one. Was the picture taken? Yo, I can't remember this now. What there's again? 2 and 5, 6. 29 over 12 equal to 2 and 5 over 12. Which I'm gonna serve party. I want to say, what a joke. Okay, Christmas come. Everybody ready? Give them the party while them watch, because no break today. Because they don't get nothing in the exam. No break until they get 80. Ready again? What number reach? No, wow. By what? That's it? What do we work first? Come, eyes on the board. Hey, wait for the one and tell and I remember fling the dust there in our head here. Yes. Now carry come my front. You want to come my front? All right, then watch. Ready? Ready? What do we work first? So therefore, working bracket. 3 over 8 plus 7 over 12. LCM. How do we find this LCM? You tell me how you find the LCM. Listen, man. What's the two numbers we're working with? So we go 8 over 12, crisscross. Can this be broken down? We go over our breakdown section. 8 over 12, 2 into 8, 4 times, 2 into 12, 6 times. 2 into 2, 2 times, 2 into 6, 3 times. 2 over 3. Everybody see that? Oi! Where are dream about? 2 12s. 3 8s. So that give me 24 right there, sir. Everybody see that? What are we going to now do? What are we going to do now? Denominator into LCM. So 24 divided by 8. How much is that? Bracket 3. 12 into 24. Bracket 7. So now we have this now equal to 3 3 is 9 plus 14 over 24 equal to 9 plus 14. 19 plus 4, 23 over 24. Now you're going to, this implies EQ can be rewritten. Remember, this is not how you do multiple choice. I'm just doing it like this coming out paper 2. Everybody understand? So the writing of then a multiple choice can be rewritten 23 over 24 times 4 over 5. Good? 23 into 24. All right. So 2 into that goes 2 times. 2 into 24, 12. 2 into that 1 time, 2 into this 6. So that is equal to 23 times 1 over 6 times 5, which is equal to 23 over 30. Is that there? That's there? Yes. All right, take a picture of him. 23 over 30. Yes. But we now about to do CSEC candidates. CSEC me and training for. So you have to do CSC too. And city angles. Everybody see this? Everybody seeing this? Everybody understanding this? So why do we not get 17 right so far? Come again. Yes. 6 times 10 to the 5th power. So 6 times 10 to the 5th power over 3 times 10 to the 2nd power. That is it? All right. I'm going to teach you this way now, but when we reach indices, I'll teach you an easier way. 6 times 10 to the 5th power, how much zero? Huh? So that means a 6 times 50 over 3 times. Everybody see that? So now we end up have 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 50 over 3, 1, 2, 0. Everybody see that? 0 cancel 0, 0 cancel 0. So now we have 6,000 divided by 3. Everybody see that? 3 to 3 one time, 3 into that 2 times. So now we have 2,000 over 1 equal 2,000. Is that there? Is 2,000 there? All right, so 2,000 is not there. So that is going to be 2 times 10 to the 3rd power. How do we know 10 to the 3rd power? The number of zeros. Everybody see that? Everybody see that? So suppose me they have 4,900. It's going to be 49 times 10 to the 2 or 4.9 times 10 to the 3. Everybody see that? Everybody see that? You understand? Yeah, so you have to sit down next week. Right, that's you're not wrong. Everybody understand this? Which part? Which part you don't understand? All right, I have to sit down with you. Next again.
By 8, open bracket 2.
Open bracket 2 times what? 2 times 10 to the 3rd power. Put these in bracket. Yes. 4 times. All right. Again, when we do indices, I'm going to teach you an easier way, but we're working as is. Huh? 20. How do you get 20? 2 and 4. Which one? 2 times 10 to the 3rd power. I'll show you. 10 to the 3rd power, 2 times 1,000. Bracket 4 times 100. So that gives me 2,000 bracket 400. And now we have 2 multiplied by 400. Everybody see that? 2,000 multiplied by 400 is going to be equal to 400 multiplied by 2,000. Not true. Which law is this? Commutative law. The way in which you multiply and add don't affect the result. So that gives me, therefore, I'm going to keep it that way because I want to do it. It will give me 400 times 400 times 1,000 plus 1,000. Everybody see that? So what we do is to come and say 2,000 times 400 equal to 400 times 2,000 equal to 400 times 1,000 plus 1,000 equal to 400,000 plus 400,000 equal 800,000. That there? 800,000 there? Or 8 times 10 to the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Everybody understand that? Want to see how we get to the 5th power? Go again. I'm going to show you the way when I soon teach you, but just see it for the sweetness of it, all right? Everybody understand that? I'm not going to teach you this now. Just see it for the sweetness of it, for the loveliness of it. 2 times 10 to the third, 4 times 10 to the second is actually equal to 2 times 10 to the third times 4 times 10 to the second. I could have written it that way. Everybody see that? All right. Which equal to 2 times 4 times 10 to the third times 10 to the second. You see, when you're multiplying same base raised to a power, it is an addition of the power. So it will go 2 times 4, 10 to the third plus 2. You see that? It will go to 8 times 10 to the fifth. That is the way that I soon teach you. Right? All right. Someone explain that to them. Come and send them reporter to me. All right. You see that? That's the easy way that I don't teach you yet. The way that I teach you already. 2 times 10 to the third is equal to 2 times 10, 1,000. Not true? 10 to the third, 30. Everybody see that? Times 4 times 10 to the second, that is 4 times 100. Everybody see that? So 2 times 1,000 is 2,000 times 400. Everybody see that? Everybody see that? Didn't you see that? You sure? Can I look like it? I look over the party then. You see now? Good. All right. So that means that now we are going to have 2,000 times 400. I'm going to turn it around based on which law? Commutative law. The way in which you add and multiply don't affect the result. So that means that 400 times 2,000. I am now going to now use my distributive law to make it easier. So that means it is 400 times bracket 1,000 plus 1,000. Isn't that 2,000? So this is the same as this. You see that? So now I know so it is 4 times 1,000. So that is 400,000. And then it will add to 4 times 1,000, 400,000. Everybody see that? So now we have 400,000 plus 400,000, which I know is 800,000. Everybody see that? Everybody see that? Everybody understand? You understand now? Good. Everybody see that? Now we have 800,000. Is 800,000 the answer? No. The answer broken down. Equivalent to 800, but 800 is not there. So now we are going to break it down to what is in the answer. It is 8 times 10 to the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Everybody see that? Yeah. All right. You don't see nothing going on, you nothing. May I walk with you because you're going to tell you. Number 19. Them all right. I the same one, man. 19. Uh-huh.
Into the negative
Time.
fraction.
3 times 10 to the negative 3, you're going to express it as a fraction. What did I tell you about when it raised to the negative? This implies that is 3 times 1 over 10 to the 3. Everybody see that? That means that it is equal to 3 over 1 times 1 over 1,000. That means it's equal to 3 over 1,000. You remember that? Is that there? Want to see this?
Number 20.
All right, we are reached there. Number 20. All right. Find the LCM of the numbers 8, 12, and 18. How do we do that? How do we do that? Yo, sweater, how we do that? Yo, LCM of 8, 12, and 18. How we do it? Walk me through the steps. So look on the board. Look on the board. 8, 12, and 18, we take the first two. 8 over 12, crisscross. Can this be broken down? Over our breaking down section. Over our 8 breaking down section, 8 over 12. We're going to use what? 2. We're going to just use 2. We're prime. Prime make less mistake. 2 into that 4, 2 into that 6. Can more go down? 2 into that 2, 2 into that 3. So now we have 2 over 3. 3 8 24. 2 12 24. So we know that 24 is the first answer. We're now going to put 18 over the answer. So we'll put the third one over the answer. Can this be broken down? What can it break down into? Can 3 go into this? How many knows that 3 can go into this? 1 and 8 and 9. Can 3 go into this? 2 and 4 are 6. So I go 3. So 18, we have break down 18 over 24. I go 3. 3 6 is 18. 3 8 is 24. Can we go further? 2. 2 into this. 2 into this. 3 times 24, that look like 72. 4 times 18. Something wrong I saw. 3 times 24 is 72. 4 times 18, how much? Oh yeah, because 4 is a 32. All right, cool. All right, so 72. Is that there? Next. You understand now, sweater? Next. Reduce 150 over 210 to its lowest terms. All right? We can quickly start by taking away divided by 10. Not true? So that means that divided by 10 give me 15 over 21. So I'm going to reach 15 over 21. Which number am I going to use now? How many knows a 3? 5 and 1 are 6 and 2 and 1 are 3. Who teach you that? Me teach you that. 5 over 7. Can that go any further? 5 over 7. Is that there? All right, next. Next. Mm-hmm. 7 over 9 divided by 14 over 27. Sharon, what you say? Listen. If I want what? I don't know where she is. All right, how do we move from here? Everybody get patty already? Are we patty them there? Patty finish? Patty's here? So them gone for more? Oh, more patty coming. Fret not thyself, no evil man. Oh, you never ready at the time. All right, what do we do? What do we do? 7 over 9 times 27 over 14. Everybody see that? 7 to that 1 time, 2 times, 3 times. Yes. No, what? It's a prime division. 9 times. 1 time, 3 times. When I reach there. Equal 1 times 3 over 1 times 2. That may I try one there. Equal 3 over 2 equal 1.5. Which one is there? Huh? 3 over 2 is there? Come. Yeah, you deserve a lollipop. Can you watch? Next. Oh, you never. Next one.
7 over 9. No, wait, no. Gas.
40 divided by 5 times bracket 6 minus 2 square minus 8. All right, you understand? Outside, you not understand? You see upon phone. You know one pass? No one pass. I want to remember one thing. To those who do more work in school, do less work after school. And they'll get more pay. Look on a construction site if you think I lie. Ready? Where are we starting? Bracket 40 divided by 15. Bracket 4 square minus 8. What's next? 40 divided by 5 times bracket 16 minus 8. Next. 8 bracket 16 minus 8. Next. 80 and 64. 144. 80, 6 8s are 48. 128 minus 8. 120. That's the answer. Is that there? Eight times 16 is equal to 8 times 10 plus 6 is equal to 8 times 10 plus 5 plus 1. Isn't that 16? Is equal to 80 plus 40 plus 8 is equal to 128. Everybody see that? When you see that for one you do have a calculator? You see that? Isn't 10 plus 5 plus 1 16? Good. Ready? Oh, you take a picture already. Oh, okay. I couldn't bother a while ago. Ready?
Which fraction is the smallest?
Which fraction is the smallest?
6.
5 over 6 plus 7 over 12. Oh, no plus, just comma, yeah. 2 over 3. 3 over 4. If you don't have your calculator, you have to now find your LCM. How do we find our LCM? What are the numbers we are working with? If you don't know LCM after this, better we just go yard. I'm teaching this a million times now. Come, Numbers. First 2. 6 over 12. You cross them out from now, so you use them. Come, that can be what? 1 over 2. Not true. 2 into this goes 3 times, 2 into this goes 6 times, 3 into that goes that. Everybody understand? Good. 2, 6. 12 ones. That means that we can go now, carry 3 over 8. You see it? Can that be broken down? Can 3 go into 12? How do we know? All right, good. So that means that 3 into that 1 time, 3 into that 4 times. 4 3s. 12 ones. So that means that at 12, carry the last one over 8, 4. 4 over 12. 2 into that. 2 times. 2 into that 6 times. 2 into that 1 time. 3 times. 1 and 3. 3 4s. 12 ones. That means that the answer for this at 12. So you want to know, say, what times this give you 12? 2. So that means I got to say 5 bracket 2 over 6 bracket 2. What times this give you 12? What times this give you 12? So you got to say 7 bracket 1 over 12 bracket 1. What times this give you 12? So you got to say 2 bracket 4 over 3 bracket 4. What times this give you 12? So I'm going to say 3 bracket 3 over 4 bracket 3. Everybody see that? At the same thing, what we do is say x, this, that. Everybody see that? Good. So we come down and say 5 2s, 10 over 12. 7 1s, 7 over 12. 2 4s, 8 over 12. 3 3s, 9 over 12. What did they ask us for? So you find the one with the smallest numerator out of this. Which is the smallest numerator? So 7 over 12 is the smallest fraction. Which one is that? It there, big and brawling. See there? If this was the smallest, you'd write 2 over 3. If this was the smallest, you'd write 3 over 4. If this was the smallest, you'd write 5 over 6. Everybody see that? Everybody understand that? So which one is the smallest? 7 over 12. Is that there? All right. Same thing again. How much left now? 4 left? 7 left. All right. After that, we're going to explain to you the marking and the grades. 7 leave. And I'm going to next test. 2 there. A joke. Not today, but I'm sending a test in the group. And I need you to work that test today. Ready?
11 over 14 plus 500.
11 over 14 plus 5 over 21. What is our LCM? What 2 numbers we're working with? So we're gonna go 14 over 21. Crisscross. 14 over 21. Can 2 go into 14? Can it go into 21? No. Can 3 go into 14? Can't go to 14, that's 5. Can't go into 14. You can go into 21, but you can't go into 14. Can 5 go into 14? So we go 7. 7 to 14, 2 times 7 3 is 21. So that's 2 over 3. Everybody see that? All right. So we got 2 over 3. 3 times 14, that will give me 42. And 2 times 21 are 42. So the answer is 42. Everybody see that? Everybody see that? So the answer being 42. 14 into 42. Everybody see that? Bracket 11. Plus 1, 5. Or 2. Thank you. You want the next slide, boss? Sure? All right. 3 times 11 plus 2 5s over 42 equal 43 over 42 equal 1 and 1 over 42. Is that there? All right. Nine over 10. Nine over 10 minus 15. What two numbers are we working with? What two numbers are we working with? All right, you may I talk to you. Talk to me. Next. Talk to me now, man. What's next? Talk to me now. You don't know. Watch me then. What two numbers are we working with? So I'm going to go 10 over 15. Crisscross. Can it be broken down? What can it be broken down by? Can use 5. So that I give me 2 over 3. See that? 2 times 15, 30. 3 times 10, 30. So the answer is 30. So that is my LCM. I go here, so 30. 10 into 30. 3 bracket 9. Minus 15 into 30. 2 bracket 7. Oi! You see that? 3 9s. 2 7s. 27 minus 14, I think that gave me 13 over 30. Is that there? 4 more to go.
Open brackets, 4 over
4 over 9. All right. So this implies 4 over 9 divided by 3 1 3 1 2 1 2 4. So it's divided by 1 times 1 over 1 times 4. It implies 4 over 9 divided by a quarter. It implies 4 over 9 times 4 over 1. So you go. Implies 16 over 9. Is that there? Is 16 over 9 there? Huh? Give me it again. 4 over 9 divided by 2 over 3 times 3 over 8. So we are going to work division first. So this implies 4 over 9 times 3 over 2. 3 into 3 1 time. 3 into 3 3 times. 2 into 2 1 time. 2 into that 2 times. Equal 2 times 1 over 3 times 1. Equal 2/3. This implies 2/3 times 3/4. 3 into 3 1 time, 3 into 3 1 time, 2 into 2 1 time to that 2 times. 1 times 1 over 2 equal to a half. Is a half there? Can be. Lord of mercy. 4 over 9 times 3 over 2. 2 into that 1 time, 2 into that 2 times. 2 times 1 over 3 times 1. That's 2/3. 2/3 times, oh, that's 3 over 8, not 3 over 4. So 2/3 times 3 over 8. So 2 into that 1 time, 2 into that 4 times. That is over 1 times 4 equal 1 over 4 equal a quarter. All right, we're supposed to do the last one now. Which one we do now? 28, ready? Bracket. 15 minus 3. Regular bracket. 2 plus 1. Uh-huh. All right. Okay. Mm-hmm. All right. What we do? Inner brackets first, eh? So that give me 15 minus 3, bracket 3. Divided by 9 minus 6, 3. 15 minus 3, therefore give me 15 minus 3, 12, bracket 3, divided by 3. That gives me 36, divided by 3. That gives me 12. It's 12 there.
1, 2, 3, and 6 are the options.
15 minus 3, 2 plus 1, 3, divided by 12, 3, 3. Ah. That give me 15, 9, divided by 3. That give me 6, 15. Still not get it right. 15, 9 divided by 3, 3. Still I get 12, you know. Oh, this was in big bracket. So that give me 6 divided by 3. So that give me 2. All right, so let me go back through this so everybody understand. No, let me go back over it. All right, we have square bracket, inner bracket, inner bracket. Work inner bracket, 15 minus 3, bracket 3, bracket, divided by 3. Now, I have this bracket to work. So, I go 15 minus 9, bracket, divided by 3. So now I have 15 minus 9 give me 6 divided by 3. So that is going to be equal to 2. Mm-hmm.
2 options.
Because this bracket had to be completed. Second to last one. Simplify. Nine times 10 to the 4th power give me 4 zeros. Plus 3 times 10 to the 4th power give me 4 zeros. So that give me 9 4 zeros plus 3 4 zeros. That give me 12 4 zeros. So that look like 120,000.
Well,
120,000 can be 12 times 10 to the 1, 2, 3, 4, 10 times 10 to the 4th power. Everybody see that? Last question. Yeah. Them gone for more, but them gone for more. How over there going crib? Last one, ready? I mean, how long before the next party them come? 5 over 12. 5 over 12 plus 7 over 18. All right? Implies. Now, once you have this, once you have just plus or minus, all of it can be worked at the same time. So we're going to go and find our LCM. What are the numbers? So 12 over 18 crisscross. 12 and 18, we know so we can use 3. 3 into that, 3 4 is 12, 3 into 18, 3 6, 18. 2 into that 2 times, 2 into that 3 times. So 2 over 3. Everybody see that? 3 times that of 36, 2 times that of 36. Now we put 9 over the 36. Can this be broken down? Can 9 go into 36? Because 6 and 3 and 9. So that means that, can 3 go into 36? So 9 into 36, 3 into 9, 3 times, 12 times. 3 into that 1 time, 4 times. So we have a quarter. Everybody see that? 4 times 9, 1 times 36. 12 into 36, 5. Plus 18 into 36, 2. Minus 9 into 36. 3 times 5. Plus 2 sevens. Minus 4 nines. 4 nines. 4 nines are 36. 4 times 9 is equal to 4 times 10 minus 1. Equal to 40 minus 4 equal to 36. Everybody see that? See that? All over 36. 15 and 14. So this look like we're gonna get negative, so. Something I'm gonna write as well. This is not 9, let's see the numerator 1. $15 and that 29 minus 4 over 36. 25 over 36. Is 25 over 36 there? All right.
praise God.
All right. Question. And I want you to be honest and truthful. Other than you who have said so. Is there anybody not understanding these things? All right. Is there anybody else not understanding? Everybody understand how to find an LCM? Everybody understand that the maths is based on the power of 10? Everybody understand how to write a fraction? How to break down a fraction? Everybody understand how to add a fraction? Everybody know how to subtract a fraction? Everybody knows BOMDAS or BODMAS? If I give you another multiple choice, can you do it? No problem. It is on the YouTube, so you can watch over last week and this week. Right? Do that before you come next week, because the things we're going into depends on the understanding of this. Yes, but because you never understand this. If you don't understand decimal, you can't understand currency. So the first thing you have to understand is how we go from fractions. When we go decimal, you have to understand base 10, and then you go into currency. Next week, we're going to go into currency, decimal, and percentages. Everybody understand that? That means that you must ensure that you do the test that I send as a homework. I'm going to send 2 tests of 30. Can we scan a photograph, or we have to get back the paper? Yes. No. Can we scan a photo of the paper? Yes. No, man. When I give them it and them do it, can them send me a picture and then we scan it, or we have to get the paper? All right. So them to send me a picture of them paper. All right. So now go send me a picture of on the paper, and then I will grade it using our system, right? And I have to say a big thank you to Mr. Swaby, who has given us permission to utilize his system that could mark all the papers quickly. So I'm going to give Mr. Swaby a big thank you. All right? And we will be using that system. I'm also giving your teachers that system, because if we master the multiple choice, what did I tell you? SBA. How much we want from our SBA? 20% of the final grade. How much we want from our multiple choice? 30% of the final grade. Hey, if we can get these 2 things perfect, you must pass. Everybody understand? So every Saturday, you'll get 1 hour of multiple choice, or we will give it to you in the homework so we can get more time to teach. Everybody understand that? I see we lose the whole day today. So I am asking you, if you don't practice maths, you cannot pass it. Everybody understand that? When you see how it comes simple to me, it's because I've practiced 100 times. So he's going to share some things that we learned so that we can understand.
All right. So again, everybody. I have some good and not so good news about the performance of the students today. We mark all of the papers and go through some analysis very quickly. Good. So, unfortunately, the average student scored 7 out of 30. 7 out of 30 was the average. We have a far way to go, which is why it's important to listen to what Teacher Crawford saying in the class. Numbers don't lie. I want to. I'm not obviously not going to highlight two performers. That's your private. I am going to highlight top performers today. So I want to highlight Diana Parchment, if I'm getting that name right. We got 27 out of 30. Can Diana stand?
Diana, copy out of somebody.
Rabba, 27 out of 30. Rabba, forgive me if I'm not pronouncing the name properly. It was Rabba Ajah. Forgive me, you can stand so people can see you.
So, oh, Bianca copy out of your book from where down there, sir? Bianca, what are you doing?
Which school you got here? Which school? Which high school? Here. Try to everybody.
No, she got St. John.
Yvonne to Darby, who got 26.
Yvonne today.
Devante. All right. Kalika Betty, who got 25. And of course, this
Yeah. Him put him copy up, me see when him a look over.
Jackie Harrison, 24. Then
Me see when you look round about.
Tyreek Henry, 24.
Tyreek there.
Tyreek.
Oh, look a boss. All right, love.
Johnny Bond, 24. Johnny. Right.
What go on there, sir?
Kyle Thomas, 23. No, not here anymore.
We'll save him Monday.
Running back. What do you got though? Here. Rihanna, Wilkins, 22 out of 30. Where's Rihanna? No? And finally, Latoya Anderson, 21 out of 30. It's interesting to me that they're all.
Yes.
Most of them are.
I see him look so there, sir.
Most difficult questions. I don't know.
Just give them the 3 most difficult questions.
The 3 most difficult questions today are no, item question number 9.
Question number 9. Make a look at it.
Question number 9 is
Which fraction is the largest? So which fraction is the largest? I didn't know how to get that.
Most people struggle with that.
All right.
Right? Question 17. People also struggle with that.
Question 17. 10 to the power, raising to the power. All right.
And finally, question 22. It says very hard, possibly confusing.
Bomdas 40, 22. Oh, no. 22? Simple fraction. 7 over 9 divided by 14 over 27.
5%, 22 confusing hard. All right.
So that's a simple division.
Thank you very much.
So what we're going to do, that's why I don't want to copy. Is when you do this, I can look at each question and say, it's like how Mrs. Ono couldn't find the largest fraction. We know say I must focus on teaching on that. Everybody understand? So for every topic, when we do it like this, I'll be able to look at what you never understand. And I'll be able to look at who don't understand it as well. Because your name is in the system.
And I would say, guys, listen, I don't know if Teacher Crawford is endorsing this, but I'm going to say to you, a number of the papers that I marked, it's 30 questions, and a lot of you didn't answer the full 30, right? Now here's my advice. If you're in the CSEC exam, and time is running out,
Pick one.
do not leave them blank, just shade.
Yeah, pick one.
That's my advice. It is better to pick a question, it's better to pick an answer than to leave it blank, because it's probability to leave it blank.
Yeah,
You're sure to get 0.
yeah, you have a 1 in 4 chance if you pick one.
Yes, you have a 1 in 4 chance to pick 1. If you pick none, you have a 0 in 4 chance.
Don't pick all because that disqualifies.
But if you have time, please don't just run every document and shade. Work on the question, but please, if you're running out of time, pick an answer. Right? Thank you very much, everybody.
So before the exam, I'll teach you how to say which one it cannot be. So from you take out 2, you can then now pick 1 of the next 2. But there's always an answer that it just cannot be. But we will teach it. Yes, yes. But we have to say a thanks because we couldn't mark these papers today if we never had this system. And we could not have the analysis before the day done if we never have this system. I don't know if he wants to tell the name of his company, but I am grateful to Mr. Swaby. You want to tell him the name of the company?
The name of my company is Edufocal Limited. We do a lot of things. This is just one. The many things that we do. Thank you very much.
All right, love and Anna. Good. Now we are going to hear from Abina. Where you go, boy? Sit down.
Please make sure that I have your person that me.
Yeah, man.